Hello my dear children, again welcome back to today's mathematics class. I hope all of you completed the homeworks. In the last class we were discussing the conversion, very important topic, conversion of fraction into percentage, percentage into fraction, conversion of decimal into percentage, percentage into decimal. Okay, I hope all of you studied that section very well and completed your homeworks. Okay, today we are going to discuss some more problems and today we will complete this chapter. Okay, it's very small chapter. You have to study two more topics. One is find the following, some problems we have to discuss, and word problems also. These two sections remaining. Okay, so next one, find the following. Write the heading, find the following. Find the following. First question, 20% of 60. 20% of 60. Okay, what is mean by this of? In the chapter of fraction, you were studying the meaning of this of. Yes, multiplication. That is 20% means, you know, 20%, 20 by 100 of multiplication, 60. Cut these two zeros, cutting method, 10 and 6, 3 2s are and 5 2s are 10, 5 in 20, 4 times, 4 3s are 12. So, what's the answer? 20% of 60 means it's 12. Okay. Okay. So, what's the meaning of this 20% of 60? We can choose an example from our real life. Okay. So, in a bag, total 60 kilo of rice. Okay, 60 kilogram of rice. What is mean by this 20% of the 60? Yes, 20% of the 60. 20% of the 60 means 20 by 100 of the 60 into 60. Okay, then you will get 12. Okay, I hope it's clear what is mean by this 20% of 60. Okay, this is an example for this problem. Okay, we will discuss like this questions in word problem. Okay, in that time you will get the idea of this type of questions. Anyway, how to do like this 20% of 60, that you have to study now. In the next one, that is word problems, we will discuss like this real life problems. Okay, so next question, 25% of 48. 25% of 48 is equal to 25 by 100 into 48, isn't it? Then 2's table, here 50, here 24, here 25, here 12. Again, is it possible? 25 and 25. So, what's the final answer? 12. Okay, cutting method I won't explain because you know how to find out the answer using cutting method. Okay, you can do it. Okay, next question. 80% of 150 is equal to 80 by 100 into 150. Okay, 80 by 100 into 150. 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 1 0. So 15 into 8, what's the answer? 120. Okay. One more question. 175% of 3000. 175% of 3000 is equal to 175 by 100 into 3000. Okay, 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, then 175 into 30. 175 into 3 you have to multiply first, and with the answer you can include one more 0 at last. Isn't it? 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 20, 1 plus 1 22, 1 3s are 3 plus 2 5, then one more 0, that is 5250 is the answer. Okay, so I hope this one clear. And next one, word problems. In that section you will get the idea why we are doing like this problem. Okay, next one, write the heading word problems. First question, in a class of 60 students, 55% are girls. How many students are girls? How many students are boys? Total number of students 60. Total number of students 60. Then 55% are girls. Then how many students are girls? Yes, 55% out of 60 girls. So how many are girls? What's a number? Exactly how to find out the number. What they are mean by this 55%? That is the number of girls is equal to 55% of 60, isn't that? That is 55 by 100 into 60. Then 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 55, 5 in 55, 11, 11 into 3, 33. So 33 girls. Okay, 33 girls in total. Then one more question, second one. How many students are boys? Can you find out the number of boys? Number of boys. Total number of students 60. Out of that 33 girls. Then remain boys. That is 60 minus 33. What's the answer? 60 minus 33, what's the answer? 60 minus 33. What's the answer? Yes, 27. You have to do subtraction here. Okay, 60. Here there is no space. That's why I am doing here 60 minus 33. Along with the answer you have to do this subtraction. 0 become 10, 6 become 5, 7, 3, 10, 3, 2, 5. That is total number 27 boys. Okay, 27 boys. Okay, clear? Okay, next question. Second one. In an examination, Ramesh secured 340 marks out of 500, whereas Mahesh secured 275 marks out of 400. Who got better marks? This is the question. And what's the first step? You can write marks obtained by Ramesh. Okay. First step. Mark obtained by Ramesh. Is equal to 340 marks out of 500, isn't it? 340 out of 500. You have to find out the percentage, isn't it? So, percentage of his mark, his percentage of mark. Therefore, his percentage of mark equal to 340. So, out of 500, 340 marks. Okay, you have to find out the percentage. So, out of 500, 340, isn't it? Out of 500, 340. You can write it as a fraction form, isn't it? 340 out of 500 means 340 by 500. Then, into percentage they are asking. Conversion of this fraction into percentage into 100. Okay. Here, first you have to convert the given thing in fraction form. 340 by 500. Then into 100 means the percentage, his percentage. 1010 will go on like this. Then 340 by 5 in 5's table. 6 5s are 40, 8 5s are 68 percentage. 68%. Next one, Mahesh secured 276 marks out of 400. Okay, so next step, marks obtained by Mahesh. How much? 276 out of 400. 276 out of 400. Convert into fraction. 276 by 400. Then into 100 because they are asking the percentage. So, into 100. You know how to convert the given fraction into percentage, isn't it? Into 100. Cutting method. %. Okay, one more question is there. Who got better marks? What's the answer? Here Ramesh or Mahesh, 68 or 69? Yes, it's Mahesh. So, at last you have to write, therefore, Mahesh got better marks. Therefore, Mahesh got better marks. 69%. Okay, clear? So, what we were doing here? Yes, first mark obtained by Ramesh, 340 out of 500. And we know how to convert or how to write this as a fraction, 340 by 500, isn't it? Then they are asking the percentage of this mark. Percentage of this mark means percentage of this given fraction. How to convert the given fraction into percentage, that they are asking, isn't it? So, conversion of this given fraction into percentage means into 100. Okay. So, like this cutting method and you will get 68%. Mark obtained by Mahesh, 276 out of 400, you have to first write it as a fraction. Then conversion into the percentage into 100 because they are asking the percentage. So, into 100, 69%. So, Mahesh got better mark. Okay, clear I think. Next question. Third question. In a competition, the total prize money is rupees 800. If Reena wins 30% of the prize money, how much money does she win? You know this one, like the first question. Okay. So, what's the first step? Total prize money. Total prize money is equal to how much? Yes, rupees 800. What's the next step? if Reena wins 30% of the prize money, percentage of the money Reena wins. Percentage of money Reena wins is equal to 30%. What we have to find out? Percentage they are given. We have to find out how much money. Therefore, money she wins. Money she win. Okay, so we have to find out the money she win. Okay, they are given the percentage, 30% out of 800. But we have to find out what is this 30%, how much money. So, 30% of total 800, that is 30 by 100 into 800, cutting method, that is 30 into 8, 240 rupees. Rupees 240 is the answer. Okay. Fourth question. David earns rupees 10,000 per month. He spent rupees 6,000. What percent of his income does he spend? So, what's the first step? What's the first step? Yes, the money David earns per month. Okay, money earns per month is equal to rupees 10,000. Money he spent. Rupees 6,000. What we have to find out? Therefore, percentage of income does he spend? Is equal to 6,000 out of 10,000 he spent, isn't it? When we are reading the question, we will get out of 10,000 he spends rupees 6,000. Okay, out of 10,000 he spent rupees 6,000. So, you got the fraction and convert it into percentage. So, they are asking to find out the percentage. So, into 100, because the percentage of this one, out of percentage of the income does he spend. Okay, that is 6,000 he spent out of 10,000. So, 6,000 by 10,000 into 100, the percentage they are asking. 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, here 2, here 2. What's the answer? 60%. Okay, clear? Okay, like this, if they are asking to find out the percentage of two numbers, you have to do like this, the smaller one by bigger one into 100. Okay, if you are when you are reading the question and if you can't understand anything in that question, at last this is the solution. They are asking two numbers and they are asking to find out the percentage of that given two numbers, smaller one by bigger one into 100. Okay, anyway, this point you have to keep it in your mind. If you are not getting like this, you have to keep it in your mind like this. Okay, then next question and the last one, fifth question. A team made 450 runs in a cricket match. 135 runs were scored by the captain only. Find the percentage of runs scored by the captain of the team. What's the first step? Total runs made in the cricket match. Total number of runs. $450. Next step, the number of runs scored by captain. $135. Therefore, you have to find out the percentage of runs scored by captain. Percentage of runs scored by captain. You know, number of runs scored by captain. Okay, percentage of runs scored by captain, how to find out? So, number of runs 135 out of total 450, and find out the percentage of this one, that is into 100. Okay. 9 5s are 45, 2 5s are 10, and here 9 we can cut in this number. 1 9s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So, 30%. 50 into 2, 30% of runs scored by captain. Okay, clear I think. So, like this we will find out the answer. So, sometimes in this type of word problem, if you are reading the question and if you can't find out anything, at last you just keep it in your mind, you have to do when they are asking the percentage of two numbers, smaller one by bigger one, into 100. Like that you can do. Okay, dear children, I hope all of you got the idea to find out the word problems. Okay, so this chapter completed, and homework, page number 173, exercise 12.4, first question how to do. Okay, first question, and in page number 174, exercise 12.5, there are 5 questions you can see, all that 5 questions you can do. So, exercise 12.4, first question, exercise 12.5, all that 5 questions you can do it as homework. And here in this textbook you can see page number 172, find the percentage of metric measures, and in page number 173 you can see exercise 12.4, second, third and fourth question, liter, milliliter, like that you can see. Okay, so this type of questions, this liter, milliliter, kilometer, like this questions, conversion, find out the percentage, 5 1/3% of 75 kilogram. Like that questions we will discuss after discussing the next chapter. Next we are going to discuss about the chapter metric measures. In that chapter we are going to discuss about this type of questions. Okay. So, after that we will do these problems. Now you have to do exercise 12.4, first question only. That's why we are skipping the second, third and fourth question now. Okay, after this class we will discuss the chapter metric measures. In that chapter this type of questions detailedly we will discuss in that chapter, and after completing that chapter again we will discuss these questions, these 3 questions in this chapter. Okay, dear children, I hope all of you will study well this chapter. Okay. So, practice each and every problems minimum 5 times in your rough book. Write and study. Okay, don't read and study mathematics. Okay, dear children, so we are going to wind up today's class. Okay, we will meet in next class. Okay, thank you.